Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. In this video I'll show you how to crochet a rose costa. First we start with our rose. Insert your hook here. Next insert your yarn. Chain 1 and we're making 12 chains. Then we insert our hook in chain 4 and we make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then we are making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. In next stitch we're making 3 double crochet. Each stitch till the end we're making 3 double crochet. In the last stitch we're making 3 double crochet, and after 3 double crochet we're making 3 chains. And then we insert our hook in here and make a slip knot. Then shape your rose with your hand like this and turn your work. Insert your hook in here in this loop and like this, and yarn over and pull through. Then we are making a chain and cut our yarn with our scissor. Then we tie 2 pieces of yarn twice. Then insert your hook here and pull our 2 pieces of yarn into our rows and just cut them like this. Insert your hook here in this stitch, grab your yarn, and we start making a chain and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then we're making 5 chains. Skip 2 stitch and making a single crochet like this, and again 5 chains. Skip 2 stitch and a single crochet in this stitch, and we are repeat this 12 times. Chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 4. In the second stitch we're making a slip knot. Then we're making 3 chains and 1 single crochet, and again 1 single crochet, chain 4, and insert your hook in chain 2 and a slip knot, and again chain 3 and 1 single crochet, and repeat this till the end.